So how do you add a website to your favorites on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. If you are browsing a web page inside of Safari and you want to save it to favorites, locate the URL, which is like the website name, and then next to it we should see the rectangle button with lines. Not sure how it's officially called, but you need to tap on this. Some options are going to appear right away, but I want you to click on more, and then there you should find the button to add it to your favorites. So it should be indicated by the little star icon, and that's how you can add websites to your favorites list. This favorites list can be accessed in the bookmarks right there, so you can browse them in here, or a lot of people go to their new tab within Safari and their favorite websites are showing up right away, so I can easily click it and just go to my favorite web pages quickly without wasting time trying to look it up manually. So that is the whole purpose behind it. However, you can also take it one step further by opening the web page, through Safari, and instead of saving it to the favorites, you can click the three dots and tap on share. This lets you tap the add to home screen button, and this essentially turns the web page into a shortcut or an icon, which is going to be added to your home screen. So you will always be able to just click on it like that, and it will open the web page just from the home screen directly, so you don't even have to open up the Safari or anything. You're gonna get there right away. But that is all that I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this, and I'll see you in the next one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.